see you again on my YouTube channel Ruang Isna. Dan hari ini kita mau ngebahas tentang masih di chapter 2, yaitu the future tense. Video kali ini adalah future tense yang part 1. Okay, I want to remind you that kita sebenarnya adalah memakai buku dari Kemendikbud. Jadi ini benar-benar buku dari kementerian. So we don't go with any other books. Okay, so apa sih yang dibicarakan untuk yang the part 1? So the part 1 actually we're going to talk how to form, bagaimana cara membuat kalimat into positive, negative, and questions. Ya, a little bit agak ribet sebenarnya dengan bahasa Inggris itu karena memang banyak aturannya. Jadi kita sekali lagi nggak bisa kita tahu word, kita tahu kata-kata kemudian disatukan dijadikan kalimat, nggak kayak gitu, tapi kita tetap harus ada aturannya. So untuk future tense kita belajar will and be going to. Okay, so just get ready for this. Okay, untuk yang will, sebenarnya will itu tadi sama sih sebenarnya kayak can juga, jadi mereka adalah model. Nah untuk will very simple, very basic. Jadi kamu cuma bilang this is the sentence, I will speak, I will speak. And kalau misalnya negative, so it just become I will not speak atau I won't speak. Or nanti kalau misalnya into question, jadinya will-nya di depan. So will I speak or will you speak. Jadi seperti itu. Kalau misalnya she, berarti she will play. For example, she will play. And negatifnya she will not play atau she won't play. And questionnya adalah will she play? Like that ya. Jadi yang harus tahu sebenarnya adalah kata kerja. Itu yang harus kamu tahu. Untuk I will bisa di shortkan jadi I'll. I apostrophe LL, I'll. Dan kemudian juga for I will not itu bisa di shortkan jadi I won't. Okay, I won't. Okay, so kita cek sentence-nya ya. Di sini, ada kalimat you will traveling around the world. You will traveling around the world. You will traveling. Do you think that is a correct sentence? Well, I think I'm not sure about this. Yes, seharusnya adalah you will travel around the world. You will travel, okay? Yes. Number 2. It will takes 3 hours to get there. It will takes 3 hours to get there. It will takes. No. It's supposed to be it will take 3 hours to get there. Jadi setelah will, take. Jadi kata kerja yang base-nya, kata kerja dasarnya adalah take, nggak ditambahin s, nggak ditambahin ing atau ed ya. Okay. Next, will are you help me? Will are you help me? Will are you help me? No. It's supposed to be will you help me? Okay. Will you help me? Yes. Okay. Next again, his parents will not punish him for being late. His parents will not punish him for being late. Jadi punished pakai ed belakangnya ya. Apakah orang tuanya akan menghukum dia kalau dia pulang telat? Okay, so actually it's supposed to be his parents will not punish him for being late. Jadi will and verb base. Okay, itu adalah untuk will. Sekarang yang going to form, be going to, actually kalau kamu ingat-ingat lagi itu hampir sama dengan be able to. Jadi kalau be going to di sini going itu bukan pergi, tetapi dalam bahasa Indonesia itu akan ya. Be going to. Be itu adalah am, is, are. Dan setelah to nanti ada kata kerja dasar. Okay. I'm going to buy a new car. Kalau dia negatif berarti I'm not going to buy a new car. Tinggal tambahin not. I'm not going to buy a new car. Kalau dia question, berarti am I going to buy a new car? Am I going to buy a new car? Okay. Let's take another example. She is going to go swimming. Kenapa kok going to go swimming? Karena ingat kata going di sini nggak usah kamu pusingkan, dia emang ada di situ. Jadi kenapa harus to go? Karena memang setelah to ada kata kerja, ya. Jadi nggak boleh to swimming, tetapi she's going to go swimming. Itu satu paket, go swimming. Okay? She's going to go swimming. If not, so it goes into she's not going to go swimming. When you want to ask, then is she going to go swimming? Okay, like that. Alright. You have to remember also that dalam future tense dalam future tense, especially for going to, be going to, itu nanti ada yang namanya adverb of time. Misalnya tomorrow, besok, 2 days later, and tonight, 3 years later. Jadi adalah keterangan waktu untuk di masa depan. Jadi nggak boleh misalnya saya akan pergi ke Jakarta kemarin. Nah, nggak bisa, tapi saya akan pergi ke Jakarta besok. Seperti itu ya. Jadi like tomorrow, 2 days ago, 2 hours later, 2 days later, 2 hours later, seperti itu. 2 months later, yes. Okay, so kita cek lagi sentence-nya ya. I going to see a play tonight. I going to see a play tonight. Kira-kira yang kurang apa ya? I going to see a play tonight. A play itu adalah drama ya, jadi bukan permainan tapi drama. I going to see a play tonight. Tonight nanti malam. Berarti I am going to play. I'm going to see a play tonight. Yes, kita perlu tambahin am di situ. Next. My favorite team is going to playing tomorrow evening. My favorite team is going to playing tomorrow evening. Is going to playing. No. It's supposed to be my favorite team is going to play tomorrow evening. I don't know your favorite teams, maybe in basketball, in football. Yes. What is your team? Okay, and then what is he going to cook for dinner? What is he going to cook for dinner? To cooks? Are you sure to cooks? Yes, we have to erase the S. So S-nya harus dihapus, nggak boleh ada S. Okay, so konklusinya hari ini adalah bahwa pelajaran kita tentang future tense, bagaimana caranya kita membuat kalimat dalam will and be going to. Very simple ya tadi. Yang penting kamu nggak usah nambah-nambahin lagi. I will apa or I'm going to apa. Ya, jadi nggak perlu lagi nambahin verbnya jadi s atau ing atau nambahin lain, nggak perlu ya. Oke. Yang kedua adalah yang tadi itu bahwa kita nggak perlu changing, dan don't forget the adverb of time. Kenapa perlu adverb of time? Supaya nanti kamu gampang nih tahu, kapan sih kamu mau ke Jakartanya, besok. Kapan sih kamu mau ngerjakan apa, misalnya project, kapan, 2 hari lagi, seperti itu. Okay, so if you still got confused about this video or this lesson, you just need to watch again and again, and then of course you also can ask some questions on the comment below. So I'm just waiting for that. Thank you very much for today, and we will go into the part 2, the future tense part 2. Thank you and bye. Menjauh dari kemarlah, pahami apa itu esensi.